Michelle here from StrawBearie Designs, and today is a really quick video that I wanted to share with you. So for Valentine's Day, my husband gave me a dozen red long stem beautiful roses, and interspersed between them was some eucalyptus. Well, the roses have faded and died. The eucalyptus is kind of dried, but it's still here. So what I'm going to do is I have taken just a hair tie, a little rubber band, and bunched my eucalyptus together. Then take a piece of string and tie it around that bunch. Then tie the two pieces of string back together so it forms a big loop. You're going to take that big loop and you're going to hook it over your shower head so that your eucalyptus is hanging here in your shower. That way when you take a shower and the hot water maybe hits it and all, you're going to get that eucalyptus scent, and it's all going to be just so relaxing and wonderful. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and have a super fantastic day.